Today we're taking a closer look at the 2018 style DRL projector headlights with black housings and clear lenses for the 2010 to 2012 Mustangs with the factory halogen headlights. This pair of headlights is going to be a great option for Mustang owners looking to modernize their front end styling, improve nighttime visibility, and add a premium LED function to their front end. The standout feature of these headlights is their projector style low beam, which utilizes H7 projector bulbs for a brighter, more focused beam pattern that enhances nighttime driving without blinding that oncoming traffic. Integrated LED daytime running lights are going to add a stylish element providing high visibility daytime lighting while updating the Mustang to a more modern look. Turn signals are a sequential amber LED pattern that sweep across the light, offering a classy visual effect that also helps modernize your setup. These headlights feature durable clear lenses that are held within robust black housings, constructed to resist impacts, weather, and UV exposure, so they're going to be built to last and they're not going to get hazy over time like those stockers tend to do. Designed as a plug-and-play, bolt-in upgrade, these lights drop into the existing factory mounting points and use standard connectors, so no cutting, splicing, or modifications required to get them installed. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. These lights are quality built with precision, and the projector optics ensure a clean beam cutoff and a focused output. The black ABS housing and the high-quality polycarbonate lenses are going to resist fading and clouding over time like I mentioned earlier. The fully sealed assemblies protect the internal components from moisture, dust, and debris, ensuring long-term reliability, so these lights will last you for years to come. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that mid $300 price range for the pair of both headlights. Considering they're going to include full function LEDs, projector optics, and straightforward installation, they're a strong value option for Mustang owners wanting both performance and some upscale looks. Installation on this is very straightforward, so we're rating it a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can expect the job to take you about 1 hour or less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how that install process goes with an installation video from one of our American Muscle customers.
So these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a 10mm, a 7mm, some pliers, a ratchet, and a popper tool. Today I'm going to be helping you guys install these 2018 style DRL headlamps for a 2010 to 2012 Ford Mustang. This is the halogen style, so I got the halogen option. It looks like it comes with a little wiring kit, so we're going to walk you guys through and show you how to properly install this setup. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this cover, which includes all of these little pop push pins. You can use a push pin tool or you can use a flathead screwdriver, but we're going to use a tool in this case. Get it done really quick. Sometimes they're a little hard to get to, but take that. Put this to the side. Next, you're going to want to remove these 2 screws, 7mm. And then there's 2 on the other side as well. Four screws. Next, you're going to want to get these 7mm down here. Looks like there's a total of 4 of them, but I'm missing one. Next, you're going to want to get these main bolts right here. Pop those loose. These just come out. And then pop this other side off too. Make sure to unplug your fog lamps, as as well as your side markers, which are on both sides. Very easy to unplug. And I believe you can also do it this way. You can just, okay, so now the bumper is completely unhooked. One more fog lamp. The bumper is completely off. All right, so now we're to the headlights. The bumper's off. 10 millimeter there, 10 millimeter there. You can use a ratchet or you can use an automatic ratchet in this case. Oh, there's one more, third one down here. And now it'll just come out. So a total of 3 10 millimeter bolts. And then this thing just pops right out. You're gonna want to remove your lights. Put this to the side. As you see, there is that one that'll go into the bulb, and this plugs into the OEM clip. So we'll put this right here for right now. We'll unplug this bulb. Bring it up here. And we'll just simply plug it into the OEM harness. And then do the same with the other one. You'll hear a click. And then take your wiring and simply plug it in right here. Install your little cover. Take your OEM light and plug it in right there and twist it until you don't feel it anymore wanting to go. And literally just put it on in. Take one of your bolts. They're all the same size. Get at least one bolt in so it'll hold itself. Make sure you get a good couple threads. Make sure they're snug. If you go to the back, you can see an area where you can route this headlamp wiring. Just come straight up through here. That's our wire that goes to the turn on switch. And then this one will simply just go across to the other side, the other headlamp. Put your last bolt in. Till it's snug. And now it's installed. New headlight. All right, so here we go. The exact same for this side. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Didn't want to come out for a second. Go out. Remove the headlamp assembly. Unplug it. Twist it. Unplug it. Remove the bulb. Grab the new headlamp assembly. Install the bulb, remove this sticker, twist until it stops, don't force it, plug this in, the clip, until it clicks, Okay. Fish this in here. Hook it up. And then install the headlight. This piece bends a little bit, so it'll allow you to go on top. Grab a bolt, put it in, give it a couple threads before you wrench on it. Same thing with the other side, now it's sturdy. Set this one up as well. And then you can tighten them down. Go until they're snug, don't force them. Just like that, the lights are installed. All right, now if you would like to, you can clean up the engine bay a little bit, grab some zip ties, and fish the wires where you want them. Notice I'm going underneath some main wiring harnesses. And then just throw a little zip tie around it. I'll tuck that in there, snip this tail. So we have our key on power here. If you see right here, touching it to the power will give us the lights on the inside. Therefore, that means they can't be on all the time. So you gotta go give this to power that is only on when the key is on or when the lights turn on. If you wanna set them up to the lights to turn on only when the lights turn on, to when the key turns on. They could be daytime running lights or they could be amber lights. Whatever you want to do. In my situation, I'm going to turn them on to daytime running lights, so I'm going to have them on all the time. Key switch on power. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So you're going to want to wire this through. Try to keep it as hidden as possible. I'm going to go up through here. I already have a little access hole, so I'm going to go through this access hole. I'm going to go find some key on power. Here's our wire. We need to find key on power. In my specific case, I have gauges that are already hooked up to key on power. So I'm gonna go in right here and I'm gonna steal it from that if I can. Wait, this is my key on power. I'm gonna have to double check though. All right, so this is my wire going to my gauge. It actually comes directly from my stereo turn on switch. So you just want to feed this into one of those holes, just like that. Make sure it's seated correctly. Maybe even spread it out a little bit if you have to. And then you take the other end of this wire, you slip it through the other side, you clamp this down, you grab your pliers, make sure they're wide enough, you give it a good Squeeze. Make sure it punctured both sides. And lock that up if you can. So now what you're going to want to do is just reassemble everything. Screw assemble, basically just in reverse of the way you did it. Make sure to plug in all of your lights. Don't forget to install your 2 bolts on top of the headlight frame housing. Also secure the center support of the bumper of the car. And then your main cover right here. Just sneak it under the front of the bumper and install the pops you have.
All right, that wraps up my review and install of the 2018 style DRL projector headlights with black housings and clear lenses for the 2010 to 2012 Mustangs with those factory halogen headlights. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.